Hi everybody, I'm Jeff Hirsch. I'm here at the Traders Expo New York with Michael Golembesky. He's the volatility analyst at ElliottWaveTrader.net. And you have some different ways of looking at Elliott Wave with respect to volatility derivatives and how to trade them. So what's the story there? You're not looking at multi-year Elliott Waves, are you?
Right. Now, on the volatility analysis and specifically on the VIX derivatives, we typically use shorter-term analysis on those charts. We use Elliott Wave analysis, and we found that the shorter-term charts tend to adhere to our Elliott Wave and our Fibonacci levels quite accurately on those shorter-term VXX charts, and we're able to get fairly accurate predictions using our Elliott Wave analysis.
So what's your current volatility predictions on the short-term Elliott Wave analysis, and what instruments do you think are most conducive to trading that?
Our shorter-term analysis, we're looking for a bottom in volatility here in the next few weeks, which should be followed by another volatility event similar to what we saw in December, and we're actually looking for a move back up over the December highs if we can strike a bottom here in the next few weeks.
30, what was the high?
The VXXB was over 52 on the VXXB, yes.
Not quite as high as it was back in
Not the VXX, but the VXXB. The VIX was around 30.
The VIX was 30,
yeah,
which was a bit lower than we had back in the 2016.
Correct.
January, February, correct?
2018, the February correction of 2018, yeah, was over 50.
But back in the February, which I thought was a Ned Dead despair, that was a little bit even higher back in February of 2016.
Yeah, 2016 we had, I think we were closer to 50 on the VIX. Yeah, on the VIX.
So looking for a volatility low right here, and then another increase in volatility end of Q1, or a little bit further out than that?
Depending on where exactly we bottom, next couple of months we should see a top on that, and then it's the same move lower in volatility for the next couple of years.
What's your best instruments to trade that? The ETFs, or you're looking at a different?
Personally, I like to trade the ETFs. I found those work well with our Elliott Wave analysis. VXXB is one of my preferred instruments to trade.
Which one?
The VXXB.
VXXD?
B. It's the new version of the VXX.
Fantastic.
That's my preferred instrument.
So that's and you trade that straight up by itself or with an option strategy?
Traded both straight shares and with options on the VXXB.
Excellent. Thank you, Michael. Thanks, everybody. Watch out for the volatility.